Hey, what is up, everyone? So today we're going to be talking about squeeze momentum indicator. And how to understand this indicator. Basically, you can find it if you're going to your indicators tab here on TradingView, and just put squeeze momentum indicator. So you can go into the public library, and you'll see the first one will be lazy bear squeeze momentum indicator. Download this one, add it to your chart, and I will let you know how exactly you can start using it. Basically, again, to let you know that this is not a financial advice, not an investment advice, it's just for entertainment purposes only. I'm just showing you what I do here. So you're gonna click on the settings usually, and you're gonna basically change the colors of those. All you need is basically make color 0, very bright green. So you can click on this, and then you can choose the color, make it bright green, and make it like thick like this. So click on here, make it thick like this. Take the color 1, and then make it a little bit kind of uh, transparent. I would say not transparent, but like the opacity of it to be a little bit decreased, so you can see the difference between this one and this one. Like, click away and go on color 0 as well. Color 0 is basically these pluses, these little pluses that you can see here are color 0. Click on this plus and change it to blue, to light blue specifically. So you can see these pluses switching to light blue. And if you look at the dark blue ones, it's basically this color 1, basically. So just choose the dark blue ones on the color 1, and just again do it until the maximum opacity. The next thing that you got to change is your red ones. So if we go right here, you see that the red ones will be again light red, and then we're gonna do light red and then tinted red. So we're gonna use the same exact strategy. We're gonna go to color 2, change it to light red, and color 3, change it to this. If you want to use the same exact design that I use on mine. Now, when we go back, and now actually we're gonna start looking into the momentum indicator, right? We're gonna start looking at it, and actually studying it. So right now, what basically it tells us is that we are out of a squeeze. Now, the bright the bright pluses indicate that we are out of a squeeze, meaning that we are now either trend is going up or down because of the squeeze. And the crosses that are dark blue indicate that we are currently in a squeeze, and it will be lifted after it's out of the squeeze. So what this shows you is basically, if you look at the tinted ones, and if you wait for a light one, for the first light one to pass, you can make a decision if you wish to invest. Let me just close my window real quick. You can make a decision to invest if you wish. And if you see here, it shows me as well. I have another indicator. It shows me a buy and sell indicator, which is here. So you can basically make your decision whether you want to invest or not. So you can see here, um, the tinted, uh, the dark blue plus is here. So the squeeze is currently going in. It's holding, and then we're out of the squeeze momentum. And then what happens is, when we are out of the squeeze momentum, the stock goes up, or it just shoots up or down. Now, how we can make our decision from the red and green, it shows us that the momentum here right now is green, right? So now maybe that's not a perfect time to invest, because we can see it going green and then going down a little bit as well. Maybe now we're expecting to see it go down, so to have a selling momentum after, because you usually see how they move. They're green, they're red, they're green, they're red, they're green, they're red, they're green. So we can see a sell and a buy momentum, sell and a buy momentum, sell and a buy momentum again. So what we can do is, if we want to, we can either invest in short term, maybe for a day, and then sell, and you know expect to see the stock going up. Or maybe we can wait for a week, for example, as we can see here, that's per the day. Maybe we can wait for a week, and then at that time, the sell momentum would have passed already, or maybe going in 2/3, and then we can expect to just put a buy in order. You can see how the momentum moves the same as the graph. So you see here is a sell momentum, we can see it going down, and then here is a buy momentum, we can see it going up. So if you put money over here where it says buy, and it's like right before the momentum, we can see it right here, 4th of June, the price was 124, and now the price is 127. So that's what does it tell you? Maybe 2% up. It will tell you about 2% up. So you can put money in and then sell it after. But that's just, of course, make your own decisions. Make sure that you evaluate your risk and then put an investment in. But that's how you can read a momentum, squeeze momentum indicator. Let's do a shorter one. We're gonna do a 1 second one, and I'm gonna show you how this moves going away. So now, what do you see now? Oh, let me just see. What do you see right now? You can see a sell momentum, and now it's starting to go up. If you see the green starting to form up here, now we're waiting for another set of validation. Either it will appear light, or it will still stay dark blue. Whether it appears light or stays dark blue, you can make your own decisions whether you want to put money in it right now. My decision right now would be to buy. I mean, right now, because you would know that the momentum will increase. Same as what happened here. Basically, you see this one going 120 in March 21, and then here going 127 in April 28. But now if we look at this, and if we go actually in, and we're going to go, instead of day, we're going to put 1 minute. We can do it in seconds as well. You can see what I mean here. So right now, what are you expecting right now? You're expecting a sell. If we wait a little bit, we will see a sell, because the green momentum has passed, the buy momentum has passed. Now it's time to sell. Now what we're expecting is see a sell. And this is how you can make your decision whether you want to put money in. And there we go. We saw a little sell here. So, and then you can decide. You can make your decision. But that's how you can read a squeeze momentum indicator in a very simple way. Yeah, we saw the sell here. And that's about it, everyone. So just let me know in the comments below what you want to see later on. But that's about it for today. Just a very quick squeeze momentum indicator tutorial, how to recognize patterns and when to make the right decision for you. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you like the video or not, or comment below what you want to see as well.